As dawn breaks, a weathered hut stands alone at the edge of a bustling village. Inside the modest hut, Abdullah's nimble fingers work swiftly, securing a bundle of firewood. Zunaira sweeps the earthen floor, dust motes swirling in the dim light. Zunaira, I'm heading to the market. Stay safe. Come back soon, brother. Abdullah stands amidst the vibrant chaos of the village market, his arms weighed down by firewood. The marketplace buzzes with life, a symphony of hawkers' cries and the murmur of bartering filling the air. The air hangs heavy with the rich scents of exotic spices and the comforting aroma of freshly baked bread. Amidst the bustling village market, Abdullah's attention is drawn to an elderly man, his struggle evident as he grapples with a heavy sack. Driven by compassion, Abdullah rushes forward, his intent clear as he approaches the burdened man. Abdullah reaches the elderly man and lifts the heavy sack. A warm, grateful smile spreads across the elderly man's face, acknowledging Abdullah's kindness. Abdullah sees a boy steal an apple, his face a mask of surprise. Resolve hardens his features as he decides to act. Abdullah races through the village alley, his every step resounding off the ancient stone. He closes in on the boy, relentless in his pursuit. The boy halts abruptly, a sudden look of surprise transforming his face. Abdullah moves forward, his sandals stirring up dust in the tight alley. Abdullah faces the boy, his expression a stern mix of concern and command. Abdullah calls out, "Wait! Stop! You shouldn't steal. It's wrong." The boy's voice cracks with desperation. I was hungry." Abdullah softens, offering bread to the boy. "Come, let's do the right thing together." Back at the bustling market, the boy approaches the fruit seller's stall, head hung in remorse. He extends his hand, the stolen apple now a symbol of his regret. Amid the vibrant chaos of the village market, Abdullah stands with an earnest plea on his face. The scent of exotic spices hangs heavy in the air, mingling with the lively chatter of the crowd. Abdullah, his voice filled with remorse, speaks. Please forgive him. He won't do it again. Abdullah and the boy walk towards the village, a journey into unknown prospects. The boy extends his small finger, pointing towards a large house in the distance. He whispers, his voice filled with remorse. That's my home. I'm sorry for stealing. Abdullah's journey ends as he approaches the hut. Zunaira, filled with anticipation, rushes to greet him. In the dimly lit hut, Abdullah and Zunaira sit closely. Abdullah's voice, a gentle murmur, fills the small space as he recounts the day's events. His words echo with wisdom. Courage isn't just being strong, it's doing what's right, even when it's hard. In the soft morning light, Abdullah and Zunaira stand before their modest hut, surprise painting their faces. A well-dressed boy and a wealthy man stand beside them, creating a striking contrast against the humble backdrop. The morning sun casts long shadows, accentuating the stark difference between the newcomers and the simple dwelling. The father, his weathered face softened by relief, expresses deep gratitude to Abdullah. With trembling hands, the father carefully presents Abdullah with a pouch of coins. The father speaks, his voice filled with sincerity. Your courage deserves to be rewarded. Inside the hut, Abdullah and Zunaira share a look, their faces radiant with relief and joy. Abdullah and Zunaira browse a colorful display of fresh vegetables at the bustling village market. The air buzzes with the lively chaos of bartering and the sweet scent of ripe fruits. Abdullah wanders through the bustling village market, eyes scanning the vibrant stalls. He pauses, drawn to a vendor's stall brimming with colorful fabrics and trinkets. Abdullah carefully chooses a bright red ribbon, its silk shimmering under the sun. As the sun sets, Abdullah and Zunaira stand before their humble hut, hope shining in their eyes. Their hopeful smiles reflect the golden light, mirroring the promise of a brighter future. The air is filled with the distant laughter of villagers and the soft rustling of leaves, a symphony of simple joys. Abdullah's voice carries a quiet strength. We may be poor, Zunaira, but we are rich with courage and kindness.